Today, I'll show you how to add a column to a list view in Salesforce. Whether you're customizing your view to better suit your workflow or simply looking to enhance your data management, this guide will take you through the steps in a straightforward and efficient manner. To get started, you'll first want to navigate to the tab of the object you're interested in modifying. This could be leads, accounts, opportunities, or any other object that you frequently work with in Salesforce. Finding the right object is crucial because each object can have its own unique list views and fields. Once you're on the correct tab, take a look at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find a drop-down menu that allows you to select the specific list view you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct list view, as this is where we'll be making the changes. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you should see the List View Controls icon, which looks like a small gear. This icon is located right next to the search bar. Clicking on this gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Select Fields to Display. This is a key step as it will open up a new window where you can customize which fields are visible in your list view. In the pop-up window that appears, you'll see two columns. On the left side is the Available Fields column. This column contains all the fields that you can potentially add to your list view. Take a moment to scroll through this list and locate the field you wish to add. It might be helpful to know exactly what field you are looking for before you begin, as this can save you time. Once you've found the desired field, you'll need to select it. After selecting the field, look for the right arrow button situated between the two columns. Clicking this button will move the field from the Available Fields column on the left to the Visible Fields column on the right. You're almost done. The final step is to save your changes. Saving is crucial because it ensures that your modifications are applied to the list view. Once saved, the new column will be visible, allowing you to view and interact with the data in a way that better suits your needs. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully customized your list view in Salesforce by adding a new column. This can greatly enhance your ability to manage and analyze data, making your Salesforce experience more personalized and efficient. If you ever need to make further adjustments, you now know exactly how to do it. Thanks for watching and happy Salesforce customizing.